A dead battery always seems to happen at the worst possible moments, late at night, in bad weather, or miles from home. That's why having a portable jump starter isn't just smart, it's essential. In today's breakdown of the best portable jump starters, we're looking at the compact lifesavers that deliver real power when you need it most. Whether you want something ultra-portable, heavy-duty, budget-friendly, or capable of starting large engines, this list has exactly what you need to stay prepared on the road. Number 7. Avapow, a 28. This compact unit looks powerful on paper and offers the kind of features you'd expect from a convenient, budget-friendly jump starter. It packs strong peak output, solid energy capacity, and a straightforward design that makes it appealing for everyday drivers who want a simple safety tool in the trunk. It includes helpful extras like an LED flashlight, a protective carrying case, and multiple USB ports that let you top off phones or small devices on the go. The USB-C input also adds versatility, making it easy to recharge at home or in the car. For the price, the overall package delivers good value and plenty of practical utility. Where it falls behind is consistency. While the specs are impressive, it can be less reliable in real-life situations, which keeps it from ranking higher. Still, for someone wanting an affordable jump starter mainly for backup peace of mind, it offers a functional set of features at a wallet-friendly cost. Number 6. Clore Automotive Jump & Carry JNC770R. This heavy-duty unit is built for anyone who works around multiple vehicles and needs reliable power on demand. It focuses on one job, jump starting, and does it with impressive strength, making it a solid choice for garages, workshops, or anyone who deals with stubborn batteries on cold mornings. Its long, durable leads and curved clamps make reaching tucked-away battery terminals much easier, which is a big advantage when working under the hood. The internal battery holds substantial energy, so you can expect consistent power delivery without frequent recharging. It also includes practical extras like an LED light and 2 USB ports for small device charging. The trade-off is size and weight. It's bulkier than most portable options and not designed for quick glove box storage. It can also feel a bit top-heavy when set on uneven surfaces. But for those who prioritize raw power and dependable performance over portability, this model delivers the muscle needed for repeated use. Number 5. Noco Boost Plus GB40. For drivers who value portability above all else, this compact unit is an easy fit. It's incredibly lightweight and small enough to store in a glove box, backpack, or center console, making it a great backup option for quick roadside help when space is limited. Despite its tiny size, the interface is simple, the controls are intuitive, and the dual LED work lights add practical visibility during nighttime use. It also comes with a soft carrying bag and USB charging options that make it convenient to keep topped up. It's designed for occasional emergencies rather than repeated heavy use, but it still offers enough power for quick, light-duty jumps when you need them most. The small form factor does come with limitations. The compact battery means limited capacity, and the short cables and stiff clamps can be tricky to manage under the hood. Still, if you want a minimalist jump starter that's easy to carry, store, and use in a pinch, this model offers dependable simplicity without taking up valuable space. Number 4. Astro AI S8 Ultra. This compact unit brings a strong mix of power and practicality, making it a solid choice for drivers who want dependable performance without spending a fortune. Its rugged exterior features side grips that are easy to hold even with gloves on, and the overall design feels built for real winter conditions. The interface is straightforward, and it doubles as a power bank for charging devices when you're on the go. The S8 Ultra is designed to handle large gas and diesel engines, giving it surprising capability for its size. It also includes helpful touches like an integrated LED light and a branded storage pouch that keeps everything organized in your trunk or glove box. Multiple USB ports and a modern USB-C and out connection make it versatile for everyday use beyond emergencies. Where it falls short is in the small details. Shorter plastic clamps don't inspire as much confidence as metal ones, and the main button can feel less tactile with cold hands. But overall, if you want strong jump-starting power in a compact, reasonably priced package, this model delivers solid reliability with useful extras built in. Number 3. Stanley J5C09D Power Station. This versatile unit is made for drivers who want more than just a jump starter. It's a powerful garage companion that can revive a vehicle, add air to low tires, and handle everyday inflatables, all from one compact station. While it's not the smallest option on the list, its combination of features makes it a dependable tool to keep at home for multiple vehicles. The control panel is easy to understand at a glance, and the sturdy clamps give you a confident connection under the hood. An adjustable LED light adds extra convenience when working in dim spaces or during nighttime emergencies. With its generous onboard power, it's well equipped for repeated use without constant recharging. A standout feature is the built-in 120 psi air compressor, perfect for topping off tires, filling sports equipment, and tackling small inflation tasks around the house. Extra ports, including a 12-volt outlet and USB charging, make it even more useful in day-to-day scenarios. It does require an extension cord for charging, which may be a minor inconvenience, but for anyone wanting a do-it-all station with serious capability, this model delivers excellent value and practicality. Number 2. Gulu GT 6000 Jump Starter. This powerhouse is built for drivers who want serious performance and a jump starter that feels ready for anything. It's larger than pocket-sized units, but that extra bulk brings reassuring durability and a strong, confident grip. Especially useful when you're wearing gloves in cold weather. The oversized clamps are easy to handle, and the bright LED flashlight adds real value during late-night roadside situations. The interface is simple and clean, with all ports grouped behind a single flap for quick access. While the frosted screen can be a bit hard to read in certain light, the overall design feels straightforward and dependable. With enough strength to handle large gas and diesel engines, it's a great match for bigger vehicles or anyone who wants a jump starter with plenty of headroom. Beyond jump starting, it works as a capable power bank thanks to multiple USB ports and a powerful USB-C PD option. Everything stores neatly in the included drawstring bag, making it easy to toss into the trunk and keep ready for emergencies. For drivers who value durability, high output, and practicality, this model delivers confidence and convenience in one rugged package. Number 1. Clore Automotive JNC 325. This compact powerhouse delivers the perfect balance of strength, simplicity, and reliability, making it a standout choice for anyone who wants a jump starter that just works every time. Its clean design features only 2 buttons, making operation incredibly straightforward even during stressful roadside moments. The extra long cables are a major highlight, giving you plenty of reach under the hood without awkward maneuvering. The sturdy construction and solid overall performance make it feel ready for cars, SUVs, and just about any daily driver. Despite its impressive output, it's still compact enough to store easily in the trunk, glove box, or emergency kit. Convenient extras like an LED flashlight, multiple USB ports, and a DC output add everyday versatility, while the included soft carrying case keeps everything neatly organized. It's priced higher than many portable options, but the durability, simplicity, and strong dependable performance justify the investment. For drivers who want a portable jump starter they can trust in any situation, this model stands out as a top-tier, all-around winner. A portable jump starter can turn a stressful roadside moment into a quick fix. And now you know which models are truly worth having in your trunk. If this guide helped you choose the right one, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest buying guides and gear reviews. Stay safe out there.